Welcome to Mindful Growth Studio, your daily step towards a better you. The affirmations you're about to hear will become your own. Accept these affirmations fully. The 2.0 version of you is already within, waiting to emerge. Listen to these affirmations daily for 21 days to unlock your untapped potential. I am the hero of my own story, and a bold new chapter is unfolding. Deep breath in and out. I am in charge of how I feel, and today I choose happiness. I am a person people are naturally drawn to and want to be around. Deep breath in and out. I love myself. I forgive myself. Thank you. I am successful in all I do. I am gifted. I am inspired. I am a leader. I am a high vibe force for good. Deep breath in. I am open to receiving from the universe. I am creating my wildest dreams. Deep breath in and out. I am free from the fear of rejection. I am free from other people's opinions of me. What I think about myself is all that matters. I am choosing to be on my own team. I love myself. I forgive myself. All I need is within me now. Thank you. Deep breath in and out. I am enough. I am whole. I am creating wealth and abundance for myself and my family every day. I am adventurous. I overcome fear by following my dreams. I am unique. There is no one like me. I am here to share my unique gifts with the world. Deep breath in. I forgive easily. I now release all grudges, resentments, and past stories that held me back. It feels amazing. I am fully committed to living in a beautiful state at all times. I live with an open heart, giving love freely wherever I go. I live a life true to myself, co-creating with the abundant universe. Deep breath in and out. I am so excited for what the universe has in store for me. I am someone who can change any area of my life at any time. I am fully committed to shifting into the 2.0 version of me. Thank you for joining Mindful Growth Studio. If these affirmations resonate with you, please like and comment. We'd love to hear about your journey. Let's continue to grow and support each other as we step into our best selves. Namaste.